Welcome everybody, this is head trader Benjamin Poole with In the Money Stocks. I wanted to talk to you about a service that we have going on that's starting in mid-October. There are some of you who have taken morning gap plays with Nick. I just wanted to let you know that we're doing that again in October. Here I want to show you something. So go ahead and look at this chart. I want you to notice the VIX. I'm going to go ahead and reset this chart. So on the VIX, when Nick is doing these master the gap plays, you want the VIX to be at a low point. That means the volatility is not very high, which means that the levels are going to hit big time. So now I want to take you into a couple of the trades that we took last gap play, which we had 9 winners. All right. So this is the 1 minute chart. And this was the 25th of August. So he took ALK, $48 for a long. He exited $48.25. He was risking 25 cents to 55 cents on this particular trade, and it went well. So he had 2 levels on this. And so not only did he play this one, but actually got into play 47.18 and sold at 47.55. So there's the first winner. Okay, then we have Crocs. Crocs, the same thing. He was risking 25 cents to 55 cents. Crocs, he got in at 107.76 and got out at 108.28. So another winner in the books on the master morning gap plays. Okay? And then we have GT. GT was another double win trade. So he got in at 12.39, sold at 13.50. Long, 12.17, got out at 12.59. He was willing to lose up to 15 to 25 cents, but he was able to make 15 to 25 cents in this trade with very little risk. So you play these on a 15-minute closing basis, any stop below the 15 to 25 cents, and so that's your risk to reward. Then we had Square, another great winner. So he went long at $65.14. It chopped around a little bit. And then at 64.57, he was able to get out of that trade as well. So the list goes on. So here's another chart. FTNT. He went long 57.36. We went negative a little bit. But again, this is the 15-minute closing basis. So you notice it did not close below that level of the 30 cents, and he was able to make 30 cents on the upside. Okay? So this could have been you. And then we have UPST chart. This was a quick trade, you guys. So these levels are very specific. So 38.17 was right here. 38.58 was right there. So these are 1 minute charts. So you could have been in and out of this trade with little to no risk in less than a minute. How cool is that? And the last one is ONON, O-N-O-N. He went long 28.81 and he was able to get out at 29.08 for a 25 to 55 cent gain on these particular stocks. Okay, so now is an excellent time, being as the volatility is so low, for you to get in on the morning gap plays. You can find them at inthemoneystocks.com under Nick Santiago. In the drop-down menu, you will look for morning gap plays. It's $99 a month, and we'll see you on the inside.